Welcome to the Leibinger booth here at the drinktec show in Munich. Today, let's talk about 2D migration. We are at the beginning of a new chapter in the global supply chain. One that brings opportunities for efficiency, innovation, and added value. The GS1 initiative is reshaping product marking and retail checkout systems. And by 2027, 2D codes will become the new global standard alongside existing barcodes. But what's different about these codes? Traditional barcodes carry only limited information. A 2D code can store batch numbers, expiry dates, even product and sustainability information, all in one symbol. The challenge is, printing them is far more demanding. You need sharp edges, high contrast, and consistent quality at reasonable speed and low cost. And while many providers talk about 2D migration, very few deliver real proven solutions or facts. That's where Leibinger makes the difference. We are not only an active GS1 member, helping to shape the standards, but we are also support customers end-to-end. From code design and validation, to line integration, to long-term optimization, we are on your side. As a third-generation family-owned business, we stand for trust, customer focus, and sustainable growth. Made in Germany, Leibinger quality means proven precision and technology you can rely on. And with the inkjet, Leibinger offers the world's most advanced plug-and-play CLJ printer. It comes with the fastest drop generator on the market, which is up to 96,000 drops per second for stable droplet and precise code replacement. It delivers 48 drop resolution for razor-shaped edges and maximum A grading readability. It prints codes up to 50 millimeters high, perfectly scannable on paperboard, films, foils, glass or metal. And it does it all in one pass. Human readable text and 2D codes together with minimal integration effort. Of course, fully GS1 compliant. From data matrix to QR to dot codes. And the efficiency goes even further. inkjet offers the lowest operating cost in the market. Minimal makeup and energy use, cartridge changes on the fly, and no cleaning routines thanks to our unique automatic nozzle sealing technology. Add to that 5 years with zero maintenance, no hidden cost, no production stops, and you have a solution built for maximum uptime. 2D migration is a challenge, yes, but it's also a huge opportunity. And with Leibinger, you don't just get a printer, you get a partner. With GS1 expertise, proven German technology, and the reliability to make your transition smooth, efficient, and future-proof.